If you find any of this information valuable, I'd appreciate it if you like and subscribe. All right, so I replaced these windows a couple years ago, and I still had no idea what I was doing. I was following the advice of a contractor, and I did the interior of the window, but if you look really closely, you can see that there is some leftover caulk that I never got, or there's actually, I think this is adhesive from the cover that goes over the plastic cover, and they just put it on with like scotch tape or something. It was awful. Anyway, down here is the remnants of the old windowsill where it was sitting at the window. I'm framing this out because I just retextured the bathroom, and I'm going to case this in, but I need to remove as much of the caulk as humanly possible, and getting down in this nitty gritty. But I'll show you a couple ways that work, a couple ways that don't, and then give you my recommendation. Hammer and chisel, a paint putty knife, and some other methods that, looking back, I wouldn't recommend. One of the ways I read about trying was heating this up, because this is ultimately like plastic, right? So heating up the caulk and then trying to scrape again, and we'll see how that goes. So that actually works really well on the large stuff, but coming down here, there's still a film which seems to like bead up. Cool. So Windex, microfiber, and a little bit of pressure. That was the bottom of the window. That was the easy stuff, you say. I concur. Let's try the stuff way up here. Why have I been putting up with this for so long? This is seriously not that bad.